Good morning students. I am Usha Subramaniam. From today I start a grammar session for the students of higher primary and above. I request each one of you to please go through the video till the end and remember to subscribe to my channel. In today's class I will start with parts of speech. I hope you all like my classes. So I welcome you to my classes now. Let's begin. Any language is understood well and sounded good because of the proper usage of words in the proper time and position. To enable this, sentences are important. Sentences convey the object to the listeners. For that, the sentences should be built in a particular way. To build good sentences, we need parts of speech. I will tell you what does this mean. If you want to talk to your parents or friends or your teachers, you have to put proper words in proper position. If you do so, you have constructed a good sentence. To build a building, you need materials like cement, bricks, sand and others. Likewise, to construct a good sentence, you need basic materials like parts of speech. So come, I will teach you in further classes how to use these parts of speech to build beautiful and valid sentences. Noun comes first in the parts of speech. Noun is a naming word. Look around you. With your sensory organs, you can see and hear, taste, smell and feel, and all of them are nouns. Noun can be any living being, non-living being or emotions or feelings. I have given some examples: tree, cow, cheetah, Lalita, air, water, switchboard, happiness, sorrow and so on and so forth. Pronoun. Instead of noun, we can use pronoun like you, me, she, her, he, his, it, they, their, etc. Verb. An action word, that is, any work done by the noun or pronoun is a verb. What are we doing now? I am talking. You are listening. I am sitting. You may be sitting. So all these works what we are doing is a verb. I have given some examples like come, sit, run, stay, make, break, do, walk, calculate. Adjective. Any word which is used to describe a noun is adjective. That is, we describe a noun by its colors or characteristics and physical structures. Like, see, color. Flower is explained with its color. A person can be explained with his characteristic, like a kind person or intelligent person or wise man. Then leaning tower. This is described by its physical structure. We can say fat lady, short boy, broad coverage, brief explanation, adorable baby, etc. Adverb is used to describe the quality or nature of work done. That is verb. How the verb is. We can explain the verb by its quality or nature. Speak softly, run fast, stop midway, write neatly and all. Also, adverb is used to further explain the adjectives or another adverb itself. Now, adjective we know that is used to explain or describe a noun. Like sky is there. How is the sky? Sky is blue. And how is the blue? Blue is very light. So, light blue sky. Quite a cool girl. Left window. And these are the adverbs. Preposition tell us the position of a noun or pronoun. like inside the cupboard, out of the house, above the tree, on the bench, under the table, over the roof, beneath the bush, beyond the hills, in between two chairs, with, of, for, to, by, at, against, across, through. These are only a few examples of preposition. There are many. Conjunctions or linkers. As the word says, linkers are used to join two or more sentences or words or phrases together. Here are some examples which we use to join the sentences, words or phrases together. They are yet, but, and, so, since, because, although, though, while, as, whereas, such as, until, as well as, etc. Interjection. Sometimes when we are sad, happy, excited, surprised, or in pain, we utter some words spontaneously, involuntarily to express our feelings. They are wow, hurrah, alas, oh, ouch, oh my god. And these words are interjections. Don't forget to keep an exclamatory mark as soon as you finish writing the interjection. Before concluding today, we have learnt different parts of speech. You read with me quickly whatever you have learnt now. Noun means naming words. Pronoun is used instead of noun. Verb is an action word. Adjective is describing a noun. Adverb is describing a verb, adjective or another adverb. Preposition tells us the position of a noun or pronoun. Conjunctions or linkers hold two or more sentences, words or phrases together. Interjections bring out our feelings. I conclude here. Once again, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed my session. See you in the next class where I start with noun. Thank you and have a great day.